So yan guys, lumang kami dito sa Joten Shopping Centers. Ayan guys, 360 nandun. Ito yung World Sort right there. Okay, so pasok tayo rito guys sa Joten Shopping Center. Super init. So yun guys, may titignan tayo mga ano rito, mga sapatos. Ayan o. So ito yung athlete's foot.
When you buy it.
Mga t-shirt dito guys, ang dami. So ito yung athlete's foot. Ayan.
That's your ball. Are you guys planning on staying?
I don't know how much this one guys. That's same my shoes. So this one is original, right? You know. I don't know how much this one, so check. So 102. Yan. 102.
Kuya, if
Yes.
you need any assistance, just let us
Yeah.
know po.
Ano yung mga ano nyo, mga discount ano nyo?
So we have this rack where it's 30 and 40%. May mga 10 and 15 if it's a Jordan. Tapos over here we have the 20% off.
20% off?
Yeah.
Okay.
So if it's 20% off, that means there's one more size off.
So that 130%, so yun may mga 30%.
It also depends.
Depends for the shoes. Okay.
Yeah. So each one has a tag naman po. So this one's a Jordan, so it's 15%.
So nandito
Tapos,
sa
nasa
tag,
likod
so,
naman.
Ayun. So ito, kamukha yung shoes ko. Yan o. Diba?
This one is Court Borough.
Court
Or
Borough.
Court Vision.
Court Vision.
Yeah. They almost look like Air Force, but they're also in the
So this
cheaper
one
side.
walang ano na discount?
This one?
Wala.
This one has a 20%.
20%.
Yeah.
Okay. So 20%, 109.
Mga 85 na lang siguro po.
85. Okay.
Yeah, so if you want to try on, feel free. We have a
Thank you so much. So yun guys, 30%. So 30%. Check natin guys kung ano ito. So I don't know how much this one. So oh man, yan, so mahal. 244.99. Grabe. Even have 30%. They're expensive. Said this one is good though. Stan Smith. So this one I like, this one, the Stan Smith. Even in Philippines, so 97, no? Oh, I like this one. I like this bag. How much this one? 69. That's a 69. 69. This one is good for gym. Then this one, no? 52. This one is good for gym. Adidas, 69. Lalaki. Mga bags, walang discount din.
Ngayon po, no. Pero if you're a senior citizen, you have a ID po, everything will be 5% off.
10%?
Apart from Jordan.
5%?
5%. Apart
Okay.
from Jordans po.
Apart from the Jordans. Okay.
Yeah, Jordan Retros.
So ito yung mga cups guys.
Pero dito din po, meron kaming tag to 20 at 30%.
Yung mga slippers.
Yes.
Okay. Ito. Yan, ganda. Yan. Grabe. Dahil mga sus dito guys. Yan. So guys, ito mahal din to. 162. Wala na mga mura ngayon guys, mga shoes. Grabe. Ito New Balance. Ayan, mga New Balance. Ewan ko, 139, 115. Adidas oh. So ito guys, iba-iba mga price nito.
You can try them on, kuya.
Mayroon na mga siguro may apat na akong ganito. Dito rin binili. Ayan. Kasi yung ayan. Pag empleyado magkano yung discount dito?
If you're an employee, you get 15%.
15, 15, okay.
Wala akong size 30. Well, this is one.
This one.
Iba ito. So yan guys, magkapares ba? No. Diba? So yun. So yan guys, so 189. Oh my god, 189. Iba-ibang kulay. Ito pang basketball oh. Dami. Wow. 15%. Ito no. 199, gaganda oh. Yung mga pang basketball oh. Grabe. Gaganda. Oh. Gaganda. Mga shoes. Hello. Puma. Puma pa tayo. Ayan. Ganda rin ng Puma. Oh. Alright, so anyway. So yung mga ano nyo, mga short na pan-gym.
We only
Right
have
there?
a couple, but they're not like the short.
Okay. Got it.
They're like the normal length po. Nandito po siya for men's.
Mga Jordans, ano no. Ayan. This one. Gaganda oh. I don't know how much the price is on. Grabe, mga slippers yun guys, dami slippers. So guys, itong lahat po ng mga slipper dito ay mga originals. Ayan, Nike. Ayan, kung ano makita mo rito, puro mga original yan. Ayan, gaganda. So guys, itong ganda nito, Nike. $7. So ito is 62. Oh man, 62. Grabe, super mahal.
Ito kasi doon na sila eh.
Ito pala eh. So yun doon, may mga ibang mga ano rito, mga balls, ayun o. Ayun, mga bike. Ayan. Hi! So doon, may mga ibang mga shoes doon. So let's get to it, guys. Kung gugustuhan natin mga shoes dito. Ayan. So ayan, mga gaganda ito. Ayan, guys. Ayan. So, so ayan, guys, ang lawak. Ang ganda dun. Alright, so thank you so much, guys. So hanggang dito na lang muna, guys. So ingat kayo lagi. Happy Sunday, everyone. Ayan.